Hello friends, today I am going to create a Google form to appointment request form. First I uh, create fields. My first field is name. I just type your name here. Then my second field, the short answer field. I put your phone number. My third field, your email address. Okay, okay. Your name I add the fourth field as a drop down uh, the select a day, then I put it Monday to Friday. Okay, you can make compulsory that select a day. Then I add the section. Then I put six section name as a figure time. Then I add question drop down questions. Okay, the first sections for the uh, uh, time schedule on Monday, pick a time Monday. Okay, for the identification purpose I have changed the figure time as the figure time, then bracket Monday. This is my first sections. Okay, then I use the time. So the first time is 3 p.m, then 4 p.m, then 5 p.m. Okay, I use that 3 4 5. If you want to whatever time you want to use here, you can use. Okay, then so everything is okay. Then I click three dot, go to section base, and uh, change this as a submit form. Okay, after selection each time the user can submit the form. Okay, now I am going to duplicate these sections for the uh, Tuesday. I use the same time for the Tuesday, Wednesday, and uh, Friday. So I duplicate each section. Okay, I change second these sections for the Thursday, Tuesday, this section for the Wednesday. Okay, if you want, you can manually create new sections and put the informations. I just copy and paste the first section again. Okay, the Monday, then I go to the selection days and link the, go to section 3, go to section 4, Thursday, section 5, Friday sections 6. Okay, I link sections. Okay, then I go to add-ons and find choose eliminator light. Okay, then I install this add-on for the my form. Click continue. Done. I install a choice eliminator light for the my form. Then you can click on configure. Then you can use the choice eliminator. I use the pick a time Wednesday, eliminate choices, pick a time Thursday. Okay, eliminated choices, saved. Okay. Okay, now I am going to add the data to form. Monday. First time you can see the tree, second time you cannot see the tree, fourth, third time. Okay.